Manpreet, Gyanee, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about something which is trending a lot lately, and you will see it everywhere, be it skincare shelves at the beauty stores, online cosmetic sites, or even Instagram posts of all the beauty bloggers. Yes, I'm talking about the Micellar Water. So at first it just looks like some regular water, but there's so much more to it, and it turns out that it's not new. Most of the ingredients, except some chemicals, are super affordable and available everywhere. Enough of the talking now, let's get into the video.
To make a DIY micellar water, all you're gonna need is rose water, glycerin, baby oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil or coconut oil, whichever suits best to you and your skin. I personally prefer baby oil because it is non-sticky and also has vitamin E, so it's like a plus point. You can use argan oil if you want to remove waterproof makeup. A bowl for mixing and a sterilized airtight bottle. Once you've got all the ingredients, just take the bowl and mix all these according to their measurements. Take 8 parts of rose water, then add 1 part of glycerin and 1 part of baby oil. Mix well and transfer the mixture into the bottle.
So here you have your own homemade version of the micellar water, which is much cheaper and with no preservatives. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon over there so you get notified every time I upload a video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye!